hairstylist Amanda. This is Nadia, and I'm going to show you the easiest waterfall braid that you have ever seen. Okay, so you take a section of the hair over here, either side. You can start on whatever side you want. And then just split it up into 3, like any regular braid. And then you're just going to braid 2 rounds right there. Then grab another section, and then this middle one, drop it. And then the new section that you just grabbed is your new 3rd piece. And then you twist. Grab another piece. And twist. See, so every one that you pick up from over here, you're just bringing through the middle and you drop it through. And then you twist the other 2 to help secure things. Twist. And then when you bring over the last section of hair, don't drop it. You just do a little braid. You can end this wherever you want. If you want to end it up here, you can, or you can braid a little bit more. And then just take your hair tie and tie it on.